Hello and welcome, my creative souls. As the holiday season approaches, let's pause for a moment. Take a deep breath and feel the magic of Xmas slowly entering your homes. Today we will explore Crochet Xmas crafts, felt decoration, and ways to fill your home with mindful, healthy, handmade joy. We will crochet, sew, decorate, and breathe, turning every moment into a special, peaceful celebration of creativity. So grab your yarn, felt shield, scissor, or hot glue gun, and maybe a cup of hot cocoa. Let's create together a X-Mix that feels calm, cozy, and beautifully handmade. Crochet has always been a symbol of warmth. Loop by loop, stitch by stitch, it connects the heart to the ends. Hands. Start with mini crochet ornaments. Tiny snowflakes made of white cotton thread starch lightly so they hold shape. Cute X ball ties with red ribbons, small Santa hairs or mini mittens. So they hold shape. Cute X bells tied with red ribbons, small Santa hats or mini mittens, perfect for decorating a X tree or gift wrapping. Next level, create a crochet garland. Use leftover yarn, maybe green, red, and cream, to crochet hearts, circle, or stars. Then join them together with a chain stitch cord. Hang it across your fireplace, wall, or even above your bed for a gentle festive touch. Try crochet table decoration too, like coasters shaped as snowflakes or placement with holly leaf edges. And here's mindfulness tip. While you crochet, focus on the rhythm of your hook. Breathe in as you pull the yarn through the breathe out as you complete the loop. This gentle flow and eases anxieties, slows racing thoughts, and fills your heart with calm joy, the true spirit of Xmas. Now let's move to soft, colorful felt crafts. Simple, safe, and so much fun for both adults and kids. Start with Now let's move to soft color felt crafts and crochet are also very enjoyable. You can also make crochet garlands, snowflakes, heart, or Xmas trees strung together with twine. And for your dinner table, make crochet mostly felt napkins, holder shaped like stars or candy canes. It's such a small detail, but it adds warmth and elegance to every meal. Xmas can often feel busy and overwhelming, but this year let's keep it simple and kind. While you decorate your home, practice mindfulness. Light a candle, play soft instrumental music, and take your time arranging each handmade piece. Notice the color, texture, and scents. The softness of yarn, the coziness of felt, the aroma of pine cones or cinnamon. Choose eco-friendly decoration materials. Use natural twine instead of plastic ribbon. Decorate with dried oranges, cinnamon sticks, and pine leaves. Reuse old fabric scraps to create new ornaments. A healthy X-Max also means taking care of your body and mind. Take short break while crafting, stretch your hands and shoulder, drink warm water or herbal tea between projects. Eat light, fresh meals, balance the festive treat with fruits and soups. And most importantly, rest your home doesn't need to look perfect. It needs to feel peaceful. The joy of handmade crafts remind us that beauty is born from love. not perfection. Now, let's add a few more crochet ideas for cozy holiday vibes. Wrap glass jars or old candles container with crochet lace pattern. When you light the candle, the crochet texture create a soft glowing pattern perfect